How to share music in Instagram DM. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you a super simple trick how to share music in Instagram DM. Whether you want to send your favorite song to a friend to share a trending track. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner to open your direct message. Now open any chat where you want to send the music. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner and then select the sticker icon. Here you will see different options. Tap on music to proceed. A search bar will appear. Simply type the name of the song you want to send and select it from the list. Instagram lets you send only a short preview of the song, usually 5 to 30 seconds. Drag the slider to pick up the best part of the song you want to share. Once you are happy with the selection, tap send and boom. Your song is now shared in the chat. Your friend can tap on it and listen instantly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.